I don't know what's behind here. Alright, folks. So, master bathroom remodel. This is where we at. Bathroom is gutted. I'm about to take down all of this insulation that's in the walls. I'm gonna tell you what, I'm gonna take it down. Um, that over there actually isn't that bad. It just looks bad. But there are places where they like crush the insulation and put it back behind pipes and stuff. Anybody that knows anything about insulation knows that you shouldn't compress it down. Like, you see that? It's like they just took it and just wadded it up. So you kind of ruin the R value. That piece fell out of that cavity. So yeah, it's actually good stuff. It's rockwool. So like I said, nothing wrong with the insulation part. The paper part, yeah. I mean, it's probably 50 years old. Look at Queen investigate. But yeah, I'm gonna throw it in the attic because I got a spot in the attic that needs some insulation, and I can just kind of throw this over there, so it won't go to waste. But yeah, so I'm going to come back. This is my concrete backer board, and I finally got my other rock wool, the new stuff, that I'm gonna be putting in here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take this out of the walls. I guess I can show you a little bit of that. My braces full up really good because I got a carpet tub coming in here, but yeah. Ooh, ain't that pretty back there? Really pretty. There's a beadboard on the other side of there. The one there. That's in the other side of that wall. It's in my mudroom. Well, they did at least staple it. Which is good. But anyhow, I'm gonna continue just taking this out of the wall. I mean, it's kind of common sense, folks. So I'm gonna continue doing this, and I'll come back when I'm done. Another phone? Okay. All right, YouTube. I got started putting in insulation. We have visitors. Say hello. You can come in, but can you come in and sit down? Probably not. Can you come in and sit down? Is it what? Well, the tail wag, that means probably not. Anyway, so I got started putting the rockwool insulation in, and I forgot something. See all this bare wood here? Now, I don't have any termite problems in this house, thankfully. I've had some water damage problems over there, but that had to do with the previous owner, not me. So what I thought I would do is I would just like, I don't know, you're sniffing my leg, it's scaring me. So what I thought I would do is, you can take a solution of water and boric acid and spray the walls and or any bare wood or whatever, and that'll do one of two things. Bugs don't like boric acid. It kills them, especially if they eat it. That includes termites. Also, boric acid will help to prevent any mold from growing. Now, I don't think I'll have any mold problems because I don't intend on having any water problems in this bathroom because I'm going to use a waterproofing membrane and all that stuff. So I don't even anticipate water to get in through behind this, but just in case, better safe than sorry. So what I did was I took some warm water, put it in a sprayer, and I put in about a quarter cup of boric acid, shook it up, and let me see, yeah, it all dissolved in here. So yeah, this is just a pump sprayer. It's already pumped up. Switch hands here, right hand. And I'm just gonna start spraying the walls. This has got a kind of a fine mist. Let me twist this and adjust the pattern a little bit. Let's see. Oh, that's a bit too much of a iris. She don't like little ones. She said, oh, I don't know about that. But anyway, I'm moving a lot, y'all. I'm gonna try to show y'all this down here. The But yeah, you just want to spray it until, I don't know if y'all can tell. Can y'all tell? Yeah, you can see the water. You just kind of want to spray it until, I'm gonna pump it up more. Soothe this pressure. You just kind of want to spray it until the water starts to run off. Now this in itself, this ain't gonna do no damage to the wood because the wood isn't gonna be constantly getting wet. This like I said, this won't do any damage because like I said, the wood won't constantly be getting wet. I'm gonna spray this and then let this dry, and then I'm gonna put the insulation on top of it. So yeah, if anybody was ever curious about how to do this, there's a guy on YouTube talking about the benefits of using boric acid instead of getting these pesticide companies to come and spray around your house, because you can actually use this around the outside of your house as well, around the base, like the bottom of your house and stuff like that. And like I said, if any termites eat this wood, they're going to eat the borax that is coated in, well, boric acid. You can use borax as well. Same compound for the most part. Trying to make sure I get all the little surfaces real good. This pine smells so good. But yeah, that's it. That's how simple it is. I'll just go around and I'll just keep spraying. But yeah, there's a guy talking about this. A lot of commercial pesticides actually use borate solutions, and a lot of people don't know that. I know my fingers in the camera. A lot of people don't know that, so they go out and they get the Orkin man to come do this for them when they can actually do it themselves, because he's using a borax solution as well, or borate rather. That's what he's using. So same thing. Non-toxic, not really much, not anything to really worry about putting this up. So yeah, I'm gonna go around, finish the rest of this, and then I'll come back and kind of show you my progress with this. Now I am gonna take this insulation out of here. It's just put in there. It's not in there. You just put it in between the spaces. Anyway, I'm gonna take this out and spray behind this, let it dry, and then put it back. Or what I might do is wait till this side is dry, because these openings are the same size. Put that piece over there, and then I can spray those pieces. But yeah. Anyway, I'll come back when I done got a little further on this.